Now, Neama, let's go to the area that Brian Ross discussed, the prior complaints against Derek Chauvin. We never got to our Spark of Life discussion earlier, and that was going to concern how far the family could go before the prior life of George Floyd came into the courtroom. Tell me why the prior complaints of Derek Chauvin do or don't come into this trial. We have about a minute left.
I think they are going to come in, and the state has already filed their motions to admit this prior bad acts evidence. And it's very powerful because it will really dirty Derek Chauvin up. We know that jurors love law enforcement, and it's very difficult for them to be convicted in these types of cases. It's actually only happened once in Minnesota, I believe, for a homicide case, and that's the Noor case that we talked about earlier. So this type of evidence, this will allow the jurors to really dislike Derek Chauvin and show that, hey, this wasn't an isolated incident. This is a pattern and practice of his violent behavior.
And just quickly for both of you, is the video the most important piece of evidence in this case, yes or no? Sue Ann?
Yes, it is. You see it with your own eyes.
Yep. And Neama?
Yes, absolutely. Unquestionably, you see a man die before your very eyes. I agree with Sue Ann there.
Well, at least my panel can agree on one thing and on a lot of other things. We are in the case of Minnesota versus Derek Chauvin. Right now, they are on an afternoon break. We do have 6 members of a jury selected. It's going much quicker than we anticipated. They are questioning a juror known as prospective juror number 40, which we'll get back into. It's a mixed panel. I'm Linda Kinney-Botten. Stay with us. We'll be back on the other side.